Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today we're going to talk about how my week went on the ketogenic diet and all such things. So if you're interested in seeing that, then go ahead and stay tuned. Hey friends, happy Sunday. I'm so glad to have you guys back here with me today for this update, even though it's going to be very uneventful because guys, I'm going to be honest with you, this week was complete garbage. I didn't eat bad, but I can tell you 100% I barely ate enough. So starting at the beginning of the week, if you guys didn't know, I have really bad knees. I actually have gel injections in my right and left knee, and they were really bothering me, as well as my sciatica, to where like I was like kind of limping around the house. So I didn't end up going to the gym those days. It was like Sunday, Monday. Yeah, so we'll go Sunday, Monday is when it was bothering me. I decided to take my daughters swimming on Tuesday. If you guys have not seen that vlog, please do so, then you guys will understand. I was severely sunburned. Like, I'm wearing this t-shirt right now, but like, I don't know if you can see, my legs are still really bad. So yeah, I like was so burnt that like I was like hot and cold, like I was like nauseous. It was really, really bad. So I really didn't eat. Today is actually Saturday, so I'm pre-filming. Today is my daughter's graduation party. If you guys have been with me, you guys know I've been kind of preparing for this for a while, and we were freaking out because we've had really bad weather here in Chicago. It hasn't been warm at all, and we've had a lot of rain, and they were calling for basically thunderstorms all day today. I come from a big family, so we're expecting upwards of 70 people. We have one bathroom. And the bathroom isn't my thing, but we don't have a huge house. So I was like cleaning out my basement, trying to get all that stuff together. But luckily, thank you to everybody who has kept me in your thoughts. Thank you to Mother Nature. It is going to be a gorgeous day today. So we're able to actually have everything outside. Everything is going according to plan. So yeah, that's why I'm up. It's 10:30 right now. I'm up ready. The party starts at 3. So we're just doing like that, you know, the setup portion of it. Yeah, so I haven't been eating a lot. I am not gonna lie to you guys. I haven't even done like my MCT coffee. Yeah, I felt so bad after that sunburn that I just didn't even want to move. I didn't want to eat. I had like no appetite whatsoever. I did receive a box of Built bars. They are delicious. I know some people were complaining about the maltol in them. They're about 5 net carbs. Protein not too high. I think it's about 15 grams. I think they're so good though. They're such a good I'm sorry, sweet treat to have that I've really been enjoying them. So if you guys wanted to try them, I would suggest them. I think they're delicious. I think they're about 20 bucks a box. So they're a little bit on the pricey side, but the taste is phenomenal. Like, it tastes like a bomb-ass Snickers bar. Like, I have tried coconut and orange, and coconut tastes like an Almond Joy almost without the nuts, and the orange was, I don't know, it was like those, if you ever tried like those chocolate covered orange slices, it tastes exactly like that. It was so good. So that's pretty much been it. It's been really uneventful. I just felt really horrible this week. Again, like, I know people are like, well, you didn't cheat. Yeah, but I didn't eat the best either. Like, I wasn't even properly nourishing my body. I got a lot of water in, just because like I was so hot and just sweating all the time that I was drinking a ton of water, and then I was getting cold. It was just crazy, like how everything was like kind of going. But I'm feeling a lot better. It's supposed to be sunny out today, so I'm kind of just wearing like a long sleeve black shirt, like a longer shirt, just to kind of keep myself covered. I mean, a lot of people were commenting that I didn't wear sunblock. I did wear sunblock. I'm not an idiot. It just was the spray can one. My kids, I put it on them and they were fine. It didn't work for me. So what are my plans for this week? To kick it right in the ass. I'm gonna be back into the gym. I'm hoping maybe by Tuesday to be back in the gym, just because sorry, it was my phone. I would like hope to be back in the gym by Tuesday, thinking that this should be pretty much gone. Like right now, I'm like, I could still feel the heat coming off my skin, and it's very uncomfortable. So yeah, like I said, I'm hoping to be back in the gym by Tuesday, and I'm really just trying to make sure I'm getting enough food. I'm also gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not paying attention to counting carbs or anything. I'll be as conscious as possible about, you know, we're having tacos and chicken and stuff like that. So, you know, I'll be as conscious as possible, but I'm not going to let keto rule my life. I think that's what makes this a lifestyle. This what makes it for the long run, is that, you know, you have to know that some days it's just not going to be, you know, on point, but, you know, it's just make your best choices and don't forget to enjoy life. You know, my daughter worked really hard and I'm very, very proud of her. And she's my oldest, so this is like a milestone for both of us, and I really just want to celebrate my kid and enjoy my family. This is the first time my family has gotten together since my uncle passed away in January, so it's like bittersweet for us. And yeah, so it's sad, but it's good times too, you know. And I got my in-laws coming and all my husband's family, and it's, you know, it's so good to be surrounded by your family. So, and we don't really have these big parties often, so it's really great. It's a really great thing for us, and a lot of people haven't seen my house in years because unfortunately me and my family were kind of estranged for a while. So yeah, all such things. But I know people kind of complain that I ramble a little bit, so I'm sorry, but I know these videos aren't like scripted. I received a comment the other day about how I ramble. I sit down with this camera and I shoot the shit with you guys because you're my friends. Like, we are, and I say it, but we're real friends around here. You guys are my ride or dies. You are my what do they say, my butter biscuit. Like, you are my people, you know. So when I sit down and put this camera on, it's literally like I'm just sitting here having a cup of coffee or just kicking back on the phone, chatting it up, and like, how'd your week go to this week, girl? Let me tell you what happened, you know. So that's what this is. This is like my virtual phone call to all my girls, just seeing what's going on, how's life. Also, guys, I know that a lot of people think, and I really want to put emphasis on this, under eating is just as bad as overeating, and I feel it. Like, I feel kind of shitty. I feel kind of like run down, just not my best self. And yeah, so this week I am going to like hit the ground running. It's going to be a really great week. Get in the gym in. It's going to be hot here. My kids want to go back to the pool. I don't think we're doing that this week. I hate to inform them, but just really enjoy summer. Really just work on being the best me possible, and know that sometimes there's slip-ups, but that's okay. As long as I'm putting in 100% of myself, you know, the majority of the time, I'm okay with that, because, you know, I'm in it for the long haul. But yeah, so that's my update. Not too much, nothing too exciting, but I just wanted to come on here and say hello, and hope you guys have had a great week, and let me know how your week went. And I love you guys, and y'all my friends. So have a great weekend, and I will catch up with you guys, and we'll, you know, update on the whole graduation party and stuff, okay? All right, guys, have a great weekend. Let me know how your week went and what your plans for this week. And if you guys are new here, we do this every week. We just sit down, chat it up, and let you know what's going on. Spread out the love and stuff. But all right, guys, I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye, friends.